Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video, and as usual it's a DIY transformation, and today I am transforming these pants into a skirt. I do love the color is beautiful. I love these pants, but they're a bit baggy at the bottom, and I think if I'm going to wear this as often as I should, they need to be a skirt, and I'm hoping it will look dope anyway. And I do love the detailing on these pants. If you notice, they've like zip on this side, which is like gorgeous. I'm hoping to incorporate these zips into the skirt. I don't know how, but either way it has to work. So come along, let's get to work and transform these pants into a dope skirt. So I have seam ribbed the legs of these pants, ripped them open so that we can get the skirt that we want, pin the pieces in place, and now we just need to go to the sewing machine and get this project going. So I trimmed off part of the pants because they were way too long, and I also extracted the zippers because I want to add them onto the sides of the pant, of the skirt actually, yeah, my new skirt. So I'm just going to do that, and then I'll hem the bottom, and then I will be done, like done. That was it for today's transformation. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and I hope you like how the skirt turned out as compared to the original pants. I love the skirt. I love the skirt, especially the detail on the zips that I showed you. Love it. This skirt, honey, 10 out of 10 minus nothing. Yes. So if you enjoy this video, do like, subscribe, comment, do what you want. It's a free world. But I do hope to see you next time when I post a new video, a DIY as per usual. Until next time, beautiful people, peace. I'm out of here.